Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to cut out images precisely using IMG CUT. It's completely online and super easy, so we can just go over and get started. For this video, we are going to use Canva. So whether you're removing a background, isolating an object, or creating thumbnails, you can use this Canva background remover to make it very simple. So let's just get started. You can head over to browser and go to canva.com. Hit enter and open up Canva in your account and log in if you're not logged in. And once you are in, you can click on the option for creating design. So look for this option called create, click on it, and you can create up a design. I'm just going to use a custom size. You can also use yours and open it up on your screen. Once you do so, next you need to do is you need to upload the photo that you want to cut out. So what we can do is we can just go over and select this option called uploads. And from there, go ahead and upload your image that you would like to remove the background from. So for example, let's say this is the image. You can just go over and make it, resize it according to your own choice onto your screen, and there we go. So you can upload up or clear that image. Let me just go ahead and do so. And there we go. So once you've uploaded your image, you can resize it, as I said, like this. Once you resize it, if you would like to crop it, we can find this option called crop here. You can select it up and you can go ahead and resize it. Like you can go ahead and choose up the ratio for your cropping. Even we can choose up aspect ratio, like if you want original, 1:1 ratio, 16:9, etc. And you can click on done. And there we go. The cropped image has been applied on the screen now. Now there we go. If you'd like to go ahead and remove the background, we can even select the option for removing the background for this image right here. Go over and select the option for edit. And once you select the option for edit, here you can just go and select the option for background remover. And once you select the option, it should remove the background as well. But basically, if you would like to crop up an image, this is the simplest method. You can follow up. And when you're done, you can click on this option called share in the top right corner and click on it and head over and download the image onto your device. You can choose your format to keep the background transparent or JPEG if you have added a new one. And that is it. So that's how we precisely cut images in Canva just by a few clicks. So if this video was helpful to you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And thank you for watching this video.